What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So I have never imagined that this particular DNA will surprise me and knock my socks off ever again. But man, this thing is damn good. And here I'm talking about Afnan's Supremacy Collector's Edition, and this thing is rock solid, quality is great, and the blend is so smooth. So the DNA used in this perfume comes from Creed Aventus, and Afnan have nailed it, or I can say they have made it better. This is not a direct clone of Creed Aventus, which is a good thing here. This is actually an amalgamation of Creed Aventus Absolute, and Nishanes Hashiwat. But I can say this whole mix or this whole combination is working like a fire, and this one smells so good. So this was about Supremacy Collector's Edition by Afnan, and now we'll start our review. And as always, we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful box. You can see the black box here, you can see the logo of Afnan, and it's in UV spotting here. Then the name of perfume, Supremacy Collector's Edition by Afnan, printed in silver foil. And then here you will find this beautiful metallic latch here, the logo of Afnan on the top, nothing in the bottom, and then all the ingredient details, your batch code and manufacturing date here in the back. And the bottle is really stunning. So once you open this box, you will find this beautiful bottle resting in this beautiful black colored velvet foam cutout. So now let me show you the bottle. The shape of the bottle is very similar to the other bottles from the same collection, from the Supremacy collection, but here this one looks really beautiful. And here you go, it's looking so beautiful. The logo of Afnan in metal here, the name of the perfume, Supremacy Collector's Edition by Afnan, nothing on the back, and you can see the shape of the bottle here. I'm sure you can see the cuts and curves of this bottle, nothing in the back. And then here the cap is made of metal and it's quite heavy. So overall the finishing and the design, everything looks so stunning. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get pineapple, bergamot, apple and white florals. In the middle you will get orange blossom, birch and amber, and then in the base you will get oak moss, musk and ambergris. So this is the official notes breakdown from the website of Afnan Perfumes, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So in the opening you will get a beautiful mix of juicy pineapple and bergamot. Leathery birch tar and smoky aspects are toned down here, and addition of white florals makes it more versatile and more beautiful. So here in the opening you will get that juicy pineapple, bergamot, little bit of leatheriness, a touch of smokiness and beautiful white florals and some nice musk and soft woody tones. And then towards the second phase, those florals becomes a little bit more prominent, and then towards the final dry down it becomes a little bit woody. Those beautiful citrusy nuances are going to stay with you from the start till end. So you will keep smelling that beautiful pineapple, that amazing bergamot and very nice white florals here in your whole journey. It's not a very dynamic perfume, but there are very subtle changes which keeps it very interesting and it never gets boring. And trust me guys, this thing is really beautiful. It's really rocking. And then you will also get that beautiful salty and oceanic kind of vibes here due to the use of ambergris here. So it's fruity, it's sweet, it's refreshing and it's oceanic. Overall a great scent, and I'm really loving it. So this was about the fragrance of this perfume, a beautiful rendition of Aventus DNA but in a totally different way, and I'm really loving it. Just wow. So this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about the longevity. And longevity and performance is the best part here after the fragrance. This perfume performs like a beast. The longevity is 1 day plus, or I can say 1.5 day plus, and projection and sillage is really amazing. So performance wise, this is 20 out of 10. This one really performs. It's a beast kind of perfume, so no issue in performance. Once you're going to spray this perfume on your shirt, you will be able to smell it even on the next day. You will get strong whiffs, not soft ones, but really strong whiffs. So this is really a performer. And if you talk about the gender, for me this is a purely unisex kind of scent, which leans a little bit more towards the masculine side. But trust me guys, even ladies can rock it if they like these kind of scents. But if you are a man, you're a boy, you are definitely going to love it. Now let's talk about the age group. For the age, no barrier at all. Anyone can rock it in any age. For the season or weather, this is a perfume you can enjoy all year around without any issue. But for the best experience, you can use this perfume in little bit hot weather. And now let's talk about the occasion. So this is a perfume which can be used in any kind of scenario. It can be your daily drive. You can use this perfume in your office. You can use this perfume in your gym, in your sports activities, in your school, in your college. You can rock this perfume on a date, on weddings, on birthday parties, in your corporate meetings. This perfume is going to work in any kind of scenario, and it's not only going to work, it will rock and you will be smelling really good. This is a compliment magnet. People are going to ask you that what you are wearing. Trust me guys, sillage and projection is so great here, and the scent profile is, oh man, it's so good. For me, this is really a solid release from the house of Afnan, and I'm really loving this DNA nowadays. So this was about the other aspects of this perfume, and now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful presentation, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 180 UAE dirhams. Is it worth it? For me, absolutely. And trust me guys, if you can spend 180 UAE dirhams, get this one. And this is going to solve all of your issues, your performance issues, your smelling good kind of issues, all the issues. And if you can wait a little bit, you can wait for the Ramadan offers. And I'm sure if it's Ramadan, or if there is like a new year, or if there is like a national day, in that kind of occasions, you can get some 15 to 20% discounts on the website of Afnan. So 180 is good for me. I will happily spend 180 bucks on this beautiful perfume, because trust me, this one smells and performs really good. But if you can get some good discount, then it's like a plus point for you. So this was my review about this beautiful Afnan's Supremacy Collector's Edition. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have already tried this perfume, because this is not a very new fragrance and it's already available in the market from like last couple of months. So this was my review about Supremacy Collector's Edition. I hope you liked it. So now I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.